Well, Reynoldsville was there then, but that was then a town outside of New York City. Reynoldsville is basically our first suburbs in the horse and buggy era. Harlem was around too, but so far off the island, we only lived there in the summer. It's like Hamptons at its dead. Most of the island was wilderness. So in 1811, we mapped the wilderness, or at least declare where all the streets would go at once that would make it happen faster, and that's what we did. A detailed topographical map of the entire island of Manhattan, all its many hills, practically every tree. Yes. And officially the height includes the antenna mast on top, which gives that building a full official height of 1,776 foot tall. And that's symbolic. When we see the Statue of Liberty, it's on the plaque. The plaque says July 4th, 1776. That's the date of the Declaration of Independence. That's considered birth of this country. Yeah, with this big thing we have behind it. Back around, come back this way, you'll have the front row seat then. Right now, let's take a look to the right at Jersey City. Now, when the port of New York was on both sides of the river, both states, Jersey City was a big part of that port too. But now, the financial district is on both sides of the river, both states. So, facts going all over North America. Now they called it Liberty Terminal because it was the site of the Statue of Liberty, like just over 3 years earlier. They called everything Liberty down there, Liberty on the ground. But it was really built for something that was going to open 3 years later. New immigrants, these new Americans. So Emma Lazarus wrote a poem for the Statue of Liberty called The New Colossus. It's a short poem, so I'm just going to recite it. Not like the brazen giant of Greek fame with confidence to stride from land to land. Here on our Siwa sunset.
Yeah, that's a pretty long too.
More than twice the length of the span of the Grass on the last bridge. Now, we did recently rename the Brooklyn Battery Tunnel after Thurman University employee. No offense to you. Let's look to the left. And there's a slightly white building with a little golden tip. We have a nice pair of view on the street. And that's where that little white building with a little golden tip. That is the Metropolitan Light Tower. Oh, no. It's really living now. How's East River tasting, folks? Anyway. Yeah. Now you see that's kind of, there's a building in Queensland that looks like this. You can take a ferry to the today. That's as of 12 years ago. Before that, no. Back in the 70s, there was nothing. A couple of very long to the road, putting a couple of barges on that road. It was really run down in the van. Old Fireboat House is an ice cream shop, which will always sits up the street. I mean, it's got too much going on there now. Now looking back at Manhattan, and, okay, not the wrinkled building, okay, that's the New Yorker by Frank Gehry. I want to look at the nice building behind it. What are you we still have people on the window there. In those days, no other space in the country. 6 and most of us But this is what kind of gives people a sense of how big the thing really was. You see, the first step in making a rotation is being artificial foundation, rebuild the background. I don't really remember the years. I'm not really very well. I remember when I was originally, we didn't know what to do with this place. You know, these fancy buildings and fancy architects. You know, and see the little bit to it. I think we should listen to that. But you see the whitest building with the dark ends. So that's an office building for Barry Brothers Media Company. But the building is designed by Frank Gehry and the legal architecture. He calls that the cell building because he claims it's supposed to look like a sailing ship. It sounds full of